YouTube, hello friends and people in virtual world, welcome back to Baggy's TMD. Don't forget guys to hit subscribe and smash that like button if you're enjoying the channel. Today we are back with another What's in the Box. Today we are looking at the Zvezda C130J-30 Hercules. This is a big ass model. It is a 1/72 scale. This is from the Russian company Zvezda, clearly, because that's what I've just said in the title. We picked this up in November at Scale Model World at Telford, and I teased you that I'd do a video of this. It's the middle of January. I thought I'd better get around to doing a video on this, guys. Sorry if the box is a little large in your screen. It's a big box, and I've got my camera as high as I can get it. Let's have a butcher's inside it. Let's move this box out of the way so we haven't got so much glare off the old light. And let's open it up, guys. I will admit I have already had a butcher's inside, but we have lots and lots and lots of bags of plastic, guys. Let's pull all the plastic out and we will have a look at what's going on in here, guys. Nice instructions by the looks of it, guys. We've got instructions. We have various schemes. We have an American, Australian. We also have the RAF colour scheme, which you know we are going to be doing the RAF scheme on this, guys. Decals are looking quite nice. I don't believe these are cartograph. I believe these are Zvezda's own decals, but looking quite nice there. We have RAF ones in there, and we have some various other bits and bobs in there as well. Australian Air Force. We'll have a look in a minute, and we'll show you what all the schemes are, guys. So here we have. Unfortunately, I can't speak Russian, so you're gonna have to bear with me a little bit, guys. We have an Australian, American Air Force. Like I say, we're going to be doing the RAF version of this one, guys, because that's what we do. We like the RAF. We do. So let's have a quick look at the instructions. A lot of Russian, clearly, because it is a Russian company, Zvezda. C130J-30. So call outs to what all the sprues are and what the part numbers are on each sprue. A little bit of telling us how to do it. So pretty much as normal, build the cockpit. We're doing all the cockpit there, guys. Then we're building some little blokes. It comes with little blokes, sticking them into the cockpit. Cockpit halves into the floor. Pretty much like how the italieris kit went together. Then we've got the fuselage half being built up. All the external pods added to for the wheel wells and a couple of little bits on the side as well. Putting the glazing in, putting the floor in, some doors, accessories, bringing the two halves together with a little bit of a reinforcement section just in there. Then it's build the wings. Wings are one whole unit that goes over the top with the engines and the fuel pods, which look quite good. Then obviously got wheel wells going all in front and rear. We have opening doors as well, opening cargo doors, opening side door as well. Propellers, only one version of the propellers, and then a call out for all the all the stenciling and the big decals there, guys. Like I say, we are going to do the RAF version of this. I can't quite see. I have seen a RAF version of this. I just can't remember. Ah, there we go. There's the RAF section just in there. So we've got RAF, 24 Squadron. We have French Air Force. We have Royal Australian Air Force, and we have two Yank. I was going to say we've got two Yank ones. Yeah, we have. We've got Royal Air Force, Base, Ramstein Air Force Base, which is based in Germany, I believe. And then we have the Italian Air Force Groupon Air Tattoo Show, England. So them are the call-outs. Like I say, we're going to be obviously doing the RAF version, which looks quite a simple livery to do, just in the green. Let's take a look, guys, at some bits of plastic. Excuse me, guys. I have to do this on the floor because it's quite a large kit. So you're sort of on the carpet at the moment. Imagine when we've done this last time, when we've done the big kit. So let's pull this bag out first. Quite a shiny silvery plastic. out of Zvezda. It's going to be the first Zvezda kit I've ever, well, first kit I've ever brought and going to be building this, guys. It's quite exciting. What we got here, guys, we have fronts of the engines there. We have the propeller blades, bits more to the engine, some intakes by the looks of it. Quite nice, crisp detail on that, guys. I have heard this can be a little bit of a pig to go together. Speaking to some of the other modelers. Again, more propellers on there, more bits of engine, same as the first one we've just looked at. Going on here, looks like we've got a bit of the cargo door, some of the doors and some of the interior features. We also have air-to-air refueling probe, not quite sure what that is. I'll imagine we'll find out when we start putting it together. A little bit of the interior, quite a nice detailing on that. Past experience of the C130Js, looking at them, they've got like a padding inside, which looks quite nice. Two halves of the wing here, we have quite nice recessed panel lines. If anyone has built the Italieris C130, you know that it is raised panel lines. So it's quite nice to see Zvezda's done a very nice detailing here with the recessed panel lines. Very fine panel lines as well, so not the big chunky stuff we're used to out of Airfix. Here we've got more of the engine details of the outers of the engines. Once again, nice crisp moulding, nice thin panel lines, guys. And just another section of the wings. Once again, looking quite nice there, guys. On to the second bag. We'll leave the big bag till last. That's the interesting one. I've even brought the Italieris C130 down, so we can actually take a bit of a look, because this is the extended version of the C130, hence why it's a 30 variant of it. So what have we got in this one, guys? We have lots of internal paneling details, guys. We have a bit of a support for the rear, front areas of the cockpit, some of the cargo floor here, guys. More of this nice padding. Looks like we have some seats to go along the side, so you can have a lot more detail in this one compared to the Italieris one. Some very fine little bits and bobs here, guys. That's going to be the rear cargo door. You might actually do this with the cargo door open, which would be quite a nice thing. There are some ejector pin marks, guys, but nothing that probably will get in the way, and if they do, they're going to look quite nice and easy to sand. Once again, guys, can't see any flash on this whatsoever. That's why I'm hoping this is going to be quite a nice kit to go together. Second one, we have some of the nose pod areas. We have the external fuel tanks to go onto the wings. Quite some small figures here, guys. If you can just see them, bring you in nice and close. Very small figures, very detailed as well, which is good to see. We have seats. Looks like we have a bit of the front landing gear there, guys. More very, very tiny bits to go on this, guys. Like I say, once again, nice, crisp plastic here. No flash anywhere to be seen. Like I say, still got some ejector pin marks here and there, but that's nothing to worry about. The external fuel tanks have some very fine detailing on as well, which is nice to see. Right, what do we have here then? We have the rear ailerons. We're just here. Looks like this is going to be the top section for the wing. The wing's obviously going to be sticking out either side of here, and that's going to be in the centre of the fuselage. We have wheels, which are half and half, so we are going to have to glue the landing wheels together, which is a little bit of a disappointment, guys. But I'd imagine there's going to be some resin versions of this out very soon, if not already, that we can use to really give that nice look to the wheels. Once again, nice, crisp, recessed panel lines, guys. Put that to one side. We do have the clear sprue, which is looking nice. A little bit twisted in it in this bag, but nice seats in a separate bag. Not going to get that out in case we lose it. And then we have the big boys. I have to excuse that's just the cable for the lighting rig we've had to set up down here. We have the big boy here now, guys. We have the two cockpit halves. Oh, slide them out with a little bit of broken plastic there. So yeah, both cockpit halves, which appear to be stuck together. Once again, nice and crisp. We do have just a little bit of flash on there, guys. Just a little bit of excess plastic, just around the door as well. But looking quite nice. Nice detail in there. Just get you in nice and tight there, guys, for the wheel wells. And like I say, nice recessed panel lines. Very nice Nice. Like I say, a bit of a weird plastic though compared to Airfixes and italieris. Oops, excuse me, guys. I'm just moved positions because my leg was aching. Like I say, nice and crisp, crisp moulding. Like I say, a couple of little bits of excess plastic on these halves. On that half, don't know if this one's going to be the same. I have to excuse if my knee randomly appears in shot. I'm just having a little bit of a shuffle around on the floor. Once again, the other cockpit half is looking nice as well. So, what is the major difference then between the C130J and the C130J-30? Here, we all know this is the Italieris one. It'll get done at some point. We've been doing it for the past 3 years. Just a bit of a comparison, guys, just in the size of the C130J. So you just see the C130J-30 is a little bit longer, just at the tail end there, guys. So just a little bit longer than the standard. I think they've just added a section at the front, I think, just to make it that little bit bigger. And by the looks of it, it's got another cargo door in the side here, guys. So that's the Italieris one. It's a load of crap, let's face it. It'll get finished one day. We need to recess all the panel lines on it because they're looking a bit shocking. So what do I think of this kit, guys? Very nice. Nice to see a manufacturer bring out an updated C130J. Shame it's the 30 variant and not the standard variant, but still quite excited to build this kit, guys. Like I say, nice recessed panel lines, nice and thin. They're not too big compared to like the likes of Airfix and Revel. Zvezda seem to have done a very nice job of this kit. Like I say, I have heard rumours that there are a few little issues with this kit going together, but I'm sure I'll tell you all about them when I finally get around to building this, probably when I'm about 60 and there's about 3 other different versions of this kit, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this review, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe. We are creeping our way to 600, and hopefully 2022 we are going to hit that magical 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you later, guys.